Science is constantly searching for new avenues to impact human health. From researchers elucidating the basic biology that drives disease, to pharmaceutical companies working to deliver new treatments to patients. But there is a gap between these two disciplines that is deep and fraught with challenges. Pete Schultz founded Calibr, the California Institute for Biomedical Research, in 2012, with a vision of how to bridge that gap, widening the aperture of innovation and creating a new model for a self-sustaining, nonprofit institute that discovers and develops novel treatments for human disease. In its first decade, Calibr has grown in leaps and bounds, from a group of just 10 to 140 full-time employees, hitting a number of major milestones along the way. Calibr launched in 2012, thanks in part to significant funding from Merck. That first year, Calibr established an automated, high-throughput screening facility capable of screening hundreds of thousands of compounds in just a few days. After expanding its medicinal chemistry operation and building out a protein engineering department, Calibr licensed its first compound in 2014 to Bristol Myers Squibb. That same year brought an award from the Wellcome Trust to develop an immunotherapy to treat prostate cancer, and a grant from the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation to build an integrated drug discovery platform. The Gates Foundation has recognized Calibr's mission to address the unmet medical needs of global populations and the huge potential of Pete Schultz and his team to accelerate the development of life-saving products. In 2015, more strategic partnerships with CIRM and Pfizer, who saw the potential to partner to bring forward innovative medicines for unmet medical needs. The next year, Calibr announced a merger with Scripps Research, solidifying the pipeline from basic to translational research and amplifying its impact across all areas of drug discovery. In 2017, Calibr became a clinical stage organization with the filing of its first investigational new drug application for KA34, a novel regenerative therapy to treat osteoarthritis. 2018, Calibr, with support from the Gates Foundation, built Reframe, the largest drug repurposing library ever assembled. This tool has led to multiple clinical drug repurposing efforts and dozens of high-impact publications and discoveries. That same year, Calibr struck a deal with AbbVie to support an innovative cell therapy technology that has the potential to take us to the next frontier of cancer treatment. The collaboration with AbbVie has expanded to develop multiple new therapies for a range of diseases, including inflammatory bowel disease and COVID-19. In the following years, Calibr and its partners have filed 4 more INDs and a half dozen more planned, initiated 3 big new pharma collaborations, and renewed its anchor relationship with the Gates Foundation for an unprecedented 10-year period. 10 years from inception, Calibr is building upon its founding vision of innovation, independence, and impact. The ability to advance any idea that could benefit human health. With dozens of novel drugs in the pipeline targeting regenerative medicine, cancer treatment, infectious diseases, chronic diseases and pain, and neglected tropical diseases, the stage is set for an unparalleled impact on patients.
The work here is so essential for humankind. Our main purpose for the work we do here is to identify new therapeutics and help them get into patients.
We're working on problems that can change people's lives. We're looking for something that's going to be transformational and potentially even curative. And that's what makes working at Calibr very exciting.